Today's video we'll be making a report. A report is a good way to display the information in a printed format. So what we'll do, we'll create the report in the Access database, and then we can print it or email it to the person that we want. All right. All right. So over the left hand side here, we have the different tables, queries, and what we can do, we can create a report um, from using a table or the queries. So what we're going to do for today's video, we're going to create a report for the table. Right? So we click on it and we open it. Here's our table that we created in the previous video. Okay, so you could visit that video. All right, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go up to create in the ribbon. Then for today's video, I'm going to create the report using the report wizard. So here where my mouse is, I click on it. And here now, it says the table that I'm going to be creating a report from for today's video. The name of the table is customer buying table. And if you would recall, in our customer buying table, we have the product code, the customer code, the name of the product, the category, the wholesale price, and the selling price. So what you're gonna do from the available fields that are available in this table, we're gonna carry over the fields that we want to use in our report that we'll be generating. So we don't need the customer code. So for the particular example that we're doing, so I'm gonna carry over product name, category, then I'm going to carry over the wholesale price, the selling price, and the margin, and the first date sold. Now I'm gonna use this R to show you. I'm gonna carry, if I made a mistake or change my mind, I can click this and carry it over. Now you would realize that the only field that didn't carry over was the product code, right? So what I can do, if I have a lot of fields, I can carry over everything, and then I can select the product code and carry it over by itself like that, which is an easier way if you're doing an exam or a test. All right, we're gonna click next. We're in the wizard, and this is how the information will be displayed. Okay, so we'd have the product code, the name of the product and the category. We can select next. Then it is asking us, do we want to sort the field in ascending or descending order? So what we can do, we can choose the field name that we want to sort. I'm going to sort it by product name. That sounds good. All right, so we're going to go in ascending order. Change it to descending or ascending. Then I'm gonna click next, and here now it shows you the different formats in which your layout could be. All right, so we could have it stepped, blocked, outline. Right, we're gonna use step for today's video. Now the orientation, depending on how many fields you have. So if you have a lot of fields, you can landscape it, or you can let it be portrait. So if you have a lot of field names in your report, you might need to landscape it, turn the paper in a horizontal fashion so that you could see all of the field names on one sheet. All right, but we're going to use portrait for today. So here it gives you a preview. The portrait is vertical and the landscape is horizontal. All right. Now here we have a box here, a check box. You can check it or check it. Adjust the field width so that all the fields fit on the sheet, right? This is a landscape will give you more, you would be able to see more of the information, all right? So we click next. Then you can modify the report design if you want. You click on this icon and we press finish. All right, let us go to preview this report. I'll click finish. All right, so here is our report that is generated from our customer buying table.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.